Hey there, thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a comedy club and you're looking for affordable professional website to advertise your business, then you certainly are in the right place today. It's no joke. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to do exactly that. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles to have a professional, effective, and easy to update presence on the web for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video. Give it a go. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses and services, and we are adding more markets every week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, Comedy Club. Awesome. Let's go ahead and select that option. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our comedy club so it can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region here. And it doesn't matter where in the world your comedy club is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a website. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of comedians at your comedy club in action. You want to showcase them on your website, maybe event flyers, for example. You can do that. You can make amendments. You don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to be a web professional of any sort, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and pop in our company email address. I want to make sure that email address is displayed on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in our physical location, our street address. Let's go ahead and click on save. Great thing about that address, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions. Let's go ahead and put in our social media platform accounts under update social links. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. Awesome. Let's go ahead and update that logo. If you don't have a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. The logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, go ahead and click on the pencil. Otherwise, go ahead and click on save. You can make the logo bigger and smaller here on the right. Awesome. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you, used throughout your website. If you want to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, your marketing, your message, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket bottom right hand corner. No color coding necessary at all. Just go ahead and search through the various color palettes available for you to use. Now for each section you want to make amendments to, go ahead and click on update section, head on over to update image, browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You can play around with the keywords a little bit and search for various keywords. For the content, buttons can link to various places. You can change the wording on that button, the text, and the buttons can link to various places. They can link to another website if need be. Maybe if you take some sort of bookings, otherwise a booking form for comedians. Otherwise, you can link to an action. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, which is a great way to upload a brochure of your business. Maybe a menu if you offer a restaurant on site as well. In the section over here is where you can put in your trading hours for your comedy club. Go ahead and pop them in over here and they will be displayed in the section for your customers' convenience. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet and you really want your website to look even more professional, go ahead and click on I want a new domain, because you can purchase your domain via the MightySite platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your comedy club. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget, there is that free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed like most other online services. So click on the link below this video. Give it a go.